Hello guys, so I got sent this 10 feet patio umbrella. Let me go ahead and put it together and let me show you how it looks. Installation is very simple. The manual includes all the instructions so that way you can set up your patio umbrella. The first step is you have to form the base, and all hardware needed is included. It even provides the appropriate wrench so that way you can tie it down the bolts. Well, the next step is connecting all the umbrella together. Okay, so you're gonna have to snap this part right here and this part on the top. And once you're finished snapping all the parts in, then you're gonna insert this part. You're gonna make sure that this part right here assembles, right here. So make sure that your umbrella is perfectly sitting down, and you're gonna tie down with this bolt right here. So that way the umbrella part or the top part doesn't come out. As you see, the whole installation for the umbrella was super simple. Couple steps, couple screws, and you're done. You notice I have this box right here. This contains some counterweights that go installed on the bottom. These are sold separately, okay? And they're also from our friends of HOMSHADE. These counterweights, can easily be filled with sand or water. And once you fill them up, then you just place them there. They actually go with an attachment that comes with it, so that way you can actually hold them each other together. All you simply need to do is just place this in between them. Okay guys, so our canopy is already completely installed. Now the base is completely filled up with water, so that way we can create that counterweight. And we're gonna go ahead and open it. It's very simple. All you're gonna do is gonna lift this arm right here, okay? And you're gonna go ahead and lift from here. You're gonna unscrew this and put it where you want it, okay? And then you're gonna just open it, and look how beautiful it looks. So this is a 10 feet canopy. This material is very high quality. It has a coating of 50 UPF, okay, plus. The frame on this canopy is very durable. This pole is about 1.5 inches, and you can actually, put it on different positions, very movable, portable. And, let's say for instance, the sun, comes from the side, you can just, arrange it right there, lock it in place, and there you go. Your canopy is all good and set to go. It does have, an upgraded wind protection, so that way the canopy doesn't get ruined by the wind, okay? And then whenever you put it away, you're gonna be able to also tie it down to the pole, for better wind resistance. And if you notice here, this vent right here will also allow the canopy while it's open to actually, let the air go through, so that way the canopy doesn't get ruined by high winds. Not only this patio umbrella gives a nice look to our patio, but it will actually, give us some shade, while those sunny days. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.